Hello students, welcome to Tigeris Digital Online class. So we are going with the chapter how many squares. In that, in previous video we had solved. I'd asked you to solve the practice question where you have to draw a rectangle, and also there are two questions where the already two sides were drawn and you have to complete the other two sides. Okay. Some students had done the homework correctly, but some of them had done wrong homework. So I'd ask you to draw it correctly. I hope so that you had drawn it proper way and solved the questions. Also from question number 3 also, some children had drawn in proper way. Whatever the instruction they had gave you, you had followed that instruction, but some had done that answer or solved that question in a wrong way. So I gave them also to how to complete it. Okay. So let's start with the next topic, that is a puzzle with 5 square from page number 44. Okay. So let's read it. Measure the side of a small square on the squared paper on page number 45. One second, where we yeah. Page number 45, page 45. Make as many shapes as possible using 5 such squares. 3 are drawn for you. Now what they are asked, what we have to do, we have to measure the side of small square on the squared paper. Let's see, come on the page number 45. Hmm. This is the square grid, and they had drawn some shape or some uh, page on this shape on this page, which contains 5 squares. If you see, this is also having a 5 square. One, just a minute, hmm. This is 1 square, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, all these are having. This is also having 5 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, this is also having 5 squares. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to draw the same shapes which consists this 5 squares, which has a similar measurement, similar shape. Can take 5 square, any of 5 square of this, and draw the shape with the help of that 5 square. Means the area of that shape should be 5 square centimeter. See, if I draw the shape like this, if I take the 5 shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 1, if I draw like this. Okay, already they had drawn that shape. I'll draw the different one. If I draw like this, increase one more line. Yes, this is a 5 square. This shape contains 5 squares. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So what you have to do, you have to draw the as many as shape in this square. There should be a different similar shape. See, right now I was drawing, but my shape and this shape was similar, so I had erased it and drawn at the different one. So all the shape, whatever the shape you'll draw on this square grid, they should be a different shape. They should contain 5 square. The area should be, area of that square of that shape should be 5, but they should not be similar to each other. Okay, so as someone can say that, ma'am, I will draw the shape like this. You had drawn like this, so I will draw like this. Yes, this will be also your shape. But whether is it they are, both are the similar? Yes, both are the similar, just only the way of that shape is different. Means the if I had one I had put upper side and only the mirror image I had drawn over there. No, so the shape should be a different. It should not be like this. It should be in different way. Okay, so this you have to do. Draw this thing in your paper, this paper textbook only. So it will be easy for you. Let's go front. So what they had asked, how many different shapes can you draw? After drawing the shape, you have to count how many different kind of shapes you had drawn, and you can you have to write the answer. As when I draw, means when the video, I was not making a video, but I was drawing on my textbook, I got 12 different shapes. How many different shapes I drawn? I had drawn 12 different shapes. Okay, so now see yours, how many you can draw. Which shape has the longest perimeter and how much? As a centimeter. So perimeter, you know. Perimeter means what? The length of the boundary. So let's take one. You have to find this. You have to find all the perimeter of all shape, and then you have to write the answer. I'll remove one. This one. Okay. So let's see the perimeter of this boundary. So perimeter means what? Length of the boundary. So on the upper side, how many how many lines of the squares are there? One, two, three, four. Okay. Here, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, and 12. So what is the boundary of this shape? What is the perimeter of this shape is 12 centimeter, 12 square, 12 centimeter. Understood? It's not 12 square, it's only 12 centimeter. Understood how to remove the area perimeter of the shape? So which shape has the longest perimeter and how much? So you can mark all the shape as A, B, C, D till whatever how much you have to draw, and then write the answer. Next, which shape has the shortest perimeter and how much centimeter? So whatever the shortest perimeter you will get, you have to write there. What is the area of the shapes? So how many squares we are using for drawing the shape? We are using 5 square. So what will be the area? 5 square centimeter. Understood? Okay. Let's go to page number 46. Now here we got the answer. This is the answer of the upper question. So did you get all the 12 shapes using 5 squares? This is the shapes what you'll get. Okay, this will be the shape. You have to draw, but it's not that you don't have to draw. You have to draw all these shapes. Now let's see what this crow is saying. All 12 shapes are arranged here to make a rectangle. So see, when all this shape, when we'll draw the shapes in the upper rectangle, so it can be arranged. This this shapes here, it is arranged as to form a rectangle. I'll make the page size less so you'll understand. So you can see this page size. So all the shapes, whatever the shapes are there here, they had given, all the shapes are arranged in a such a way that forms a rectangle. You play puzzles, that picture puzzle or vegetable puzzle. Yes, so that only what, yeah, they had given. What they are asking, when you draw shapes in that square grid, cut that shapes, cut that shape in a such a way, cut that shapes and arrange that such shapes in such a way that it forms an rectangle. You can play this game with your sisters and even with your friends also. Okay, so all 12 shapes are arranged here to make a rectangle. These are the shapes only. They had they had cut that shapes and they had arranged in such a way that it forms a rectangle. This is a 10 into 6 rectangle, as there are 10 rows and 6 columns. If you observe it properly, it is having 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 columns. 6. Okay, 6 columns. So what that crow is saying, you will be surprised to know that there are more than 2000 ways in which these shapes can make 10 into 6 rectangles. So what it is saying, you can arrange that shapes in such 2000 ways that it will form a rectangle shape, which the shape also will contains 10 into 6 rectangles, means 10 rows and 6 columns rectangle. Okay, so this you can do, you can cut that shapes in nice card. So they are asked us to draw all the 12 shapes on a sheet of cardboard and cut them. Now you can do these things. As I had told you prior, only you can don't cut textbook page. Instead of cutting textbook page, you can use a cardboard paper. Draw all 12 shapes over there. Okay, and cut it, and arrange that shapes in such some other way. Make as a 10 into 6 rectangle. Could you do it? You can. It's not difficult. Just you play puzzles same way. You have to join all the shapes in such a way that it form a rectangle. Try another puzzle. You have to make a 5 into 12 rectangle with these 12 shapes. Now first you have to do 10 into 6. Now 5 into 12. There are more than 1,000 ways to do it. If you can find even one, that's great. This is a fun activity you can do at your home. Now come on page number 47. Game time. Here is a chessboard. All of you know chessboard where we play chess. If you have a chessboard, bring that chessboard uh, at your home and play this game with your partner with one set of 12 shapes. So what you have to do, take a chessboard, call your partners or call your friends or sisters with you. Take all that 12 shapes. Please, instead of playing chess, ask that partner to play arrange the shapes in such a way that it will cover all the chessboard. So you can do by alternate ways. One, ask him to play first, or you can play first and ask them if his turn finished. You put another shape and then continue the game and form a proper and fill the whole, what we say, fill all chessboard play area and form a rectangle in that. So let's see what they are saying. The first player pick one shape from the set and put it on the board covering any 5 squares. Okay. The other player picks another shape and put it on the board, but it must not be overlap in the first shape. Obviously, it should not be overlap. Keep taking turns until one of you can't go any further. Whoever puts the last piece wins. So whoever put the last piece, he wins the game. Okay, understood? Now, next topic is make your own tile. So previous the games, whatever the puzzles that you have to just and one activity and you have to play with your friends. Now let's see how to make a tile. Tile means what? The floor, the tile is that we can see in our kitchen, even in our bathrooms, also on a floor. Yes, they are arranged, beautiful tiles are arranged on floors. Also in the kitchen, we can say the cherry or coffee tiles are arranged in front of the kitchen. In kitchen, yes. So that is the tile. Remember the floor pattern in Math Magic Book 4, pages 117 and 119. Yes, last year we had learned that building with bricks. In that we had learned the different patterns, brick patterns, huh, that they are asking to remember. So you had to choose the correct tile which could be repeated to make a pattern so that there were no gaps left. So whenever the tile is placed, if you see your tile, if you see the floor tile, it is not in one room. That it's not that the whole big tile is placed there. The tiles are divided in small part. You can see the gaps between that two tiles, and the gaps are each and every tiles a little bit in little size. So it is filled in such a way that it will form all it will cover a whole area of that room. Okay, so let's see what next is. Ziri went to a shop and was surprised to see the different design of tiles on the floor. Aren't this beautiful? So some tiles they had shown, there are some tiles picture they had shown where Ziri's girl, when she went to a shop and she saw these tiles and she was very surprised because they were very beautiful. Can you find the tile which is repeated and make each of these floor pattern? Circle a tile in each pattern. So now what we have to do, they had given us tiles. Yes, two tiles they had given. What we have to do, we have to circle a pattern. Means the tiles are cutted in such a pattern that when they arranged, when they are kept together, they form one picture or they form one design. So here they had gave the one two tiles. So we can see. So what they had asked, we have to form a pattern. We have to circle that pattern. Which pattern tiles would it be? Okay. So let's see. So as I see, I feel so that this is the pattern. This from year to year, again back. Yes, this will be one tile. Yes, this will be a one tile. If we see here also, they have shown here also. Or this is the year. Little half of the picture they had not shown, but this will be the another tile. Yes, this will form the, this is another tile. Hmm? So this each tile, when each and this, if we'll remove one tile, this one tile, then we'll see that this tile shape is different. But when we arrange it, it form a beautiful picture. If you see this, if the tiles are like this, it might be, this tile shape might be like this. Yes. Yes. And the other tiles might be fitted like this. Or it might be a diagonal shape. We can say like this also. So it contains one tile. This is one tile. Hmm? So if we see your room, your kitchen style, just go and watch it. It might be in square shape. All the tiles might be in square shape or in rectangle shape only. So when they are arranged, all the tiles are arranged together. They have filled the gaps. They form on one picture. Okay. This is the how the tiles are arranged. After looking at the Ziri wanted to make her own yellow tile. Now Ziri want to make her own yellow tile. You too make a tile this way. So you can also make a tile with this way. So let's see what they had said. Step 1. Take a piece of a cardboard or a thick paper. Draw a square of side 3 centimeter on it. Okay. Step 2. Draw a triangle and on any one of the side of this square. Means on the square 3 centimeter, you have to draw a triangle. Then draw another triangle of the same size. Draw another triangle of the same size on another side of the square, but this time draw it inside the square. First triangle was drawn outside of the square, and now the other side triangle was drawn inside of the square. So shape will be like this. Cut this shape from the cardboard. Your tile is ready. What is its area? Now what you have to do? What is its area? Just see what we had done. We had cut it one side inside sides. It First we'll remove the square area of this shape square. How many centimeter we had removed? Square was how many centimeter? Side was 3 centimeter. Okay. Yes, 3 centimeter was the side. So area of square, how we remove? Yes, tell me how we remove the area of the square. There was a formula last time I had asked you. Yes, the area of square is square. How we remove? Side square. So what is the side of this? What is the side of this square? 3 centimeter. There is 3 centimeter and there is 3 centimeter. So area of square is equal to side square, means side into side. Two sides, because all sides are same. So both the sides we take, side into side is equal to 3 into 3, 6 centimeter. So what is the area of this square? It is 6 centimeter. Now we see if we remove a triangle outside, same shape of triangle we had removed the inside. Same triangle we had removed, same area, same what we say, if we had removed triangle this way, it is having same area. Also we had removed the triangle from the inside and we had cutted it. Yes. So if we place this triangle over here, will it not form a square? Yes, it will. So what will be its area? Its area will be 6 centimeter. Understood? Okay. Let's go on page number 49. Make a pattern using your tiles. Trace the shape to repeat it on a page. But remember, there must be no gaps between them. Now, see, Ziri had made her own tiles with the help of that pattern. Yellow tiles. You know the area of her tiles. Yes? Right now we had removed the area of the tiles. So answer these questions. How many tiles has she used? What is the area of the floor pattern Ziri has made here? Okay, so you know the area and you have to make what do you have to do? How many tiles she has used? With the help of that tiles, you can remove the area of that floor pattern. Now, remain practice question you have to do in as your homework in your notebook. Okay, so complete all these questions in your notebook. If you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you on WhatsApp. Don't do wrong questions. Read instruction properly and then solve it correctly. Okay, so till today this much. Take care. Bye.